This video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right or the correct Lightroom app on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so for you to download and install Lightroom app, you need to go to Google Play Store. And then from here, go ahead and search here. Or if you can see this search bar, go ahead and tap on this search icon here. Then just search by the name Lightroom as one word. And we have a search icon here. Now this will take us to this Lightroom app. If you tap on it, you can see it is from Adobe, and the logo is here. Now you'll know that this is the right app if you see these details, such as at the time of recording this app has over 3 million reviews with a star rating of 4.7, and the average size of this app is around 104 MBs, and it has over 100 million downloads. So once you find this, you'll know that you have the right app and you can proceed and install Lightroom photo and video editor app from Adobe. So this will go ahead and begin downloading this app on your smartphone, and once the download is done, it will be installed. You can now proceed and tap on open to start using it, or if you go back to your apps, you can see now Lightroom app is here. From here, you can now launch the app and start using it. So that's how you can install the correct Lightroom app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.